This colorful, healthy, nutritious and luscious Indian-style quinoa salad is not only mouth-watering but also quick and easy to make and can easily become a part of your lunch or dinner. I have added few ingredients which gives kick and zing to this salad, which makes it stand out from other regular quinoa salad. So please watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Let's start making this gluten-free, vegan and vegetarian salad. Here are the ingredients. You can find detailed recipe in description box as well. Take quinoa in a bowl and wash it thoroughly 3 to 4 times, rubbing with your hands or until water runs clear, so that the bitter coating outside is removed. Then transfer it in a medium pot filled with water and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, then lower the heat and simmer it uncovered till the time it is tender and the white tail appears around each grain for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain it and let it cool down. Transfer cooked quinoa in a medium to large bowl, big enough to mix all ingredients evenly and properly. Then add diced cucumber, orange pepper, red pepper, green pepper, green chilies, deseeded chopped tomatoes, yellow pepper, green onion, chopped cilantro, olive oil, pink rock salt, freshly cracked black pepper, followed by freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix everything well. Taste and adjust seasoning if required. Rejoice this spicy, crunchy, juicy salad with your loved ones. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.